no traction. Well, he's getting better at driving, that's for sure. You ready to get the gap today?
Let's see. It probably will be me, but let's see.
Nah. These 3 valves get it though.
Huh?
So these 3 valves are pretty fast when you fucking do full bolt-ons.
You're trying to get my fucking header down.
Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and catch a quick fucking roll or dig right quick with the homies. Got the homie back there with the 3 valve. I don't know if you can see him. He's got a 3 valve Mustang. So he wants to see what it does. It's just bolt on. I think he got intake, colder intake on it. I don't know if he has an intake manifold on it, not entirely sure. And he's tuned. So he just got his headers in. We haven't installed them yet, so we're gonna get a before and after. So yeah, we'll see how this runs. That vents up there, I think was goddamn full, like always. That's how we do. So yeah, let's see how we do. So what happens when you leave the car wash and you're with a whole bunch of homies, but everybody looking clean though. Yeah. Wait till the camera because you're about to lose, motherfucker. Nah, I'm pretty sure you'll probably beat me. My car's not all that fast, so it'll be alright. Damn, it's a long ass light, man. Shit. I feel like we've been here for 5 minutes already. There we go. We'll have more room up there.
I'll spin on first.
Oh, I spin the shit out of it. First and second.
At least we're kind of side by side the whole way.
Yeah, that was pretty cool. Not bad. Not bad. He was right beside me. Oh yeah. Real good shit. Hey, you see me lose traction in 4th gear?
You did?
Yeah. You didn't see me going like that? I was like, you'll see it in the video. Let's go to your house. Let's go to your house.
Recorded too?
Yes, sir.
Let me just put my other mount on.
Well, what all do you have done to it?
It's just a an intake, no cats, muffler deletes, and a tune.
That's not bad. I think with headers, you would probably take me.
Yeah, I can't wait to get my fucking long tube done, dude. That's gonna that's when because I was literally on the fence of buying this throttle body, and I messaged my tuner and I was like, hey man, will you charge me to reflash it, you know, with the new tune? He said no. But he's like, also, don't expect a lot of power gains from that.
Yeah.
And I was like, well, fuck, dude. He knows what he's talking about.
All right. Well, there you guys have it. Stock fit gen versus a 3-valve Mustang with the tune and a cold air intake. He actually didn't do too bad against this. So, and then me just being stock. So, I definitely need to go pick up those tires from the homeboy ASAP, because these tires are not working out for me. I spend way too much. I spent all through 1st, 2nd, finally caught traction in 3rd. It even broke traction in 4th gear. I was very surprised about that shit. I was like, holy shit. That's why I had to let off of it on the last pull we did. It went sideways on me. I was like really surprised about that. But anyway, so hope you guys enjoyed the video. Until the next one, peace.